Cardinal, this could be you. Anything strong, bumble you. But you pick Whitey Sidem.
Moments later.
Sidem looking so scared. Girl, go home and leave what you cannot manage.
Cannot be victimized by the snow bunny crisis. Brother, find a sister from your own community. She is not an African woman, okay? All the women you got access to, I know you can find you a queen. They come in every color. What color you want, brother? You want sweet brown sugar? What you want, cinnamon? You want hot pistachio? What you want, brother? You want African vanilla? You want African pineapple? What color queen? Do you want that chocolate fudge? What do you want?
Have you lost a loved one to the snow bunny crisis? If so, comment below and we'll send you help.
You want a full-figured brother, but you cannot go outside the race. Hit the Cash App.